Oh, there's even a man in a trailer. Oh, this is really badass. Look at all the trash over there too.
Yeah, it needs to be used for all sorts of things.
All the glass is broken out. That cheap single pane glass. Looks like this used to be like a courtyard area. Like all the trees planted around it. There's the dumpster from when they gutted it, it looks like.
For the building.
Wow. Holy crap, that is tall.
Now, one thing that is for certain, there used to be walls right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So this must have been like a maybe office area.
Areas. So this has completely been removed. And this is within the last 10 years.
This is neat.
And someone's been busy. No doubt there's the
Yeah,
office right there.
yeah. And they tore it all out.
When you first came in here, there used to be a catwalk up here, like a big platform up here, and there used to be like, I think some heaters and some storage up there. And that used to lead to more catwalks up there in different layers of basically just mounted machinery and stuff up there. And the machinery was all put together in such a way to where you had to, climb those catwalks and ladders just to get up there to maintenance it or just to do whatever you had to do.
Oh wow, this is big over here. Yeah, you can tell they had all the windows in here, so it got all kinds of natural lighting.
Yeah. Looks like they got it all closed up pretty good because normally this bay door right here is open.
Oh yeah.
And you see that's been replaced.
Mm-hmm.
And they've replaced the bay door down there. Normally all these doors are open.
Oh, what's this over here?
Yeah, this must have been like either a personnel area or bathrooms in here clearly.
Right. See all the paint peeling off the walls. Well, this is a bathroom. There's the toilets. And then the ventilation right there. Wow, that's crazy. It's so much warmer out here. The loading bay area.
It used to be things in here. I can't remember exactly what they were, but metal things. So give you some sort of idea, of what these rooms were used for, but they've completely gutted them out.
It's just the wind. What the heck? Like a dying cat. There's more out there. This is pretty awesome.
Oh, yeah. Interesting. Here's something else that's been done recently. All this dark brick right here. See all this?
Mm-hmm.
This has been recently laid.
Yeah, it looks like it was another.
These used to all be open windows. They've really closed it up in here.
Yeah, they have.
Not that many ways to get in. Yeah, you can get a window right here.
Yep. Let's. Oh, those are.
That door right there.
Oh yeah, that's weird. That's kind of cool.
Nice, it's coming through there.
Yeah.
Really great. It's actually colder in this building.
Yeah.
All the stone is still cold from the winter.
Mm-hmm. That dark room we were in with the bathrooms was like
Very
5
cold.
degrees, 10
Yeah.
degrees colder. Oh, that's neat. Oh, there's an open door there. You should cut across real quick. Wow. I think this is definitely worth it to give it a shot. I'm glad we didn't wait.
Oh yeah. Place is awesome. Well, I don't know. Now we're going back in the main room again.
Whoa. Oh, my eyes had to adjust.
Yeah. It's instantly dark in here.
Yeah. I think we've explored all there is in here.
Yeah.
Maybe see if we can walk around. Maybe the.
It would have been great if we could walk the catwalks and went up in that
Yeah.
area there, but now it's all been gutted out.
We might be able to lurk around. I wonder if this place had a basement. If it did.
I've never seen one though. It would be cool.
Yeah. If.
There used to be a water tower in front. Apparently it's gone. Well, I mean, you can see it's gone. I mean,
Yeah.
I'm just wondering how it was removed. I don't know if it just was just gone, deteriorated, fell down. I think someone actually just removed it.
Uh-huh. I see a ladder over there.
Well, it looks like someone tried to clean it up at least.
Yep.
This is what the people that bought it would do. They'd go around and collect all the steel.
Sell it for
Any
scrap and
process
shit.
with Steel. As you can see, this is just what they got.
Yeah. This definitely could be like a set from a zombie movie or something. Anything post-apocalyptic. This is a perfect location. Holy crap. We just cut right in half. Look at that one though. Can you imagine rolling down a hill in that?
My God. This is more than just your lunch.
Yeah. Just packed full of more tires.
More tires. Someone had a plan. Someone had a tire plan.
Can you imagine though, dude, if that suddenly got lit on fire, dude? That'd be terrible.
That would be huge fire.
Yeah. That doesn't seem smart to like be storing them like this for this long.
Yeah, if the whole area there got caught, there'd just be a big mound of just charred rubber.
Oh yeah. Dude, you'd see that for miles, like an oil fire. Look at this. This is just so amazing. Fantastic location out on the western side of Indiana. There's like some more elaborate graffiti here. Just in case the tires catch fire, we have a we got a fire extinguisher. I bet it works.
That is old as hell.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It belongs in a museum of fire extinguishers.
Right. You know, some teenager was probably drunk and like took it out here and chucked it. Like,
Yeah. It was probably the oldest back then.
when I was at the water park, some dude had taken a toilet all the way from the clubhouse halfway through the park and chucked it like near the pools.
Oh, I remember you telling me that.
Yeah, I was like, how drunk do you have to be to lug a toilet? Like, those are heavy. I don't care how big you are, a toilet's pretty heavy, a big porcelain toilet.
Yeah, exactly.
And he drug it like a quarter of a mile. I want to know what that dude was on.
Loading ramp.
This is cool too. Well, this probably was originally a building as well, I'm guessing.
No, I think this was a loading ramp. You're right. There could have been something over the top of this.
Mm-hmm.
But the point of this was to drive your forklifts and loading things up here, and the trucks would just back right in.
Oh, yeah.
And just, you're just already right up top of them. You can just load right in.
Hell yeah. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of them.
That's rare, dude.
Yeah, they are. Those are the birds that they say people have mistaken pterodactyl sightings from. They see their long feet coming out and they think they're a tail. Yep. Yeah, dude, this is really neat. I'm glad we came here. This is just awesome.
This is what happens when Mother Nature takes back over what man tried to conquer.
Yep. Look at this. Well, it's probably a makeshift environment for frogs and everything, dude.
But the ribbing looks like it's attached to.
Whew.
Wow.
Yeah. There.
Well, here's the problem. Look how this concrete is made.
Oh yeah.
Shitty.
Yeah. Oh, well, that was nice. I thought that was going inside for a minute. I guess that one does though.
Here's the moving dot. Really nice fighting through this.
Oh,
fighting
right.
through
It doesn't look too thorny though.
Don't do that. You're entering Narnia.
It's like giving birth.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's neat.
Wow.
It's like an eerie green glow. Wow.
What are they storing here? People's trash?
It looks like it. Yeah, it's old bottles. That's an oil bottle. Looks like that's
Is it a big brick of disease?
it must be. I don't really want to touch it too much. It looks like compacted trash.
Why did they need a place to store trash?
Yeah, you think they would have gotten that out.
Is this the new landfill?
That's what that whole truck's filled with then.
Okay. This town is not that big. This is a very small town.
Right.
So it would have taken, I mean, look at this place. I mean, look at all of the property to maintain, both outside and inside. You know, this place would have constantly had to be so productive, and the economy here would have had to be so good just to support it. Not only that, just to have people to come here and work to maintain it.
Yep.
And it just, over time, this wasn't the best location for it, and it just failed.
Mm-hmm.
You can have the best structure around, but if you don't have, you know, money coming in, if you don't have people to work it, and there's no real economy there, then you got nothing. It just becomes a ghost town.
Exactly.
It becomes a high schooler's play place.
Yep. Place to party or the scene for the next big movie.
Cat.
Oh, yeah.
Haven.
Got the wildlife.
Wild pussy always hangs around this area.
There's some spare air hose. In case you're in the market. Whoa.
Power line on the ground.
That looks dangerous. Let's hope those aren't live anymore. I wonder if that's the base that it was standing on. Oh, there's a huge pipe, so that had to be it. And a manhole.
I think this is part of the substation area. So much grass has grown over it, so you don't really know where you might step into. You could step into a pit.
Yeah, right.
That one water pit we saw earlier?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's another one that's out here.
Alright, let's be careful.
Yep. There's the water tower. Holy crap. Take a look in there.
Holy crap. Alright, hold this. I'm gonna go in. Let's see if I can get my flashlight. Right.
Take your time getting the right setup first
Right.
before you take anything important down there.
Okay. Alright, you wanna hand me my phone too? Awesome. See how well this actually turns out. You can kind of see there's an electrical box. There's the pump equipment for the water tower, the shut-off valve, and there's a second shut-off valve. There's an old light bulb. And more electrical equipment there, obviously. Wow. Coming out of the manhole.
Yep.
I have to say this. It should be like the thumbnail for the video or something right here.
Yeah, exactly. I think we should try to get that other manhole open. I wonder if it goes down deeper.
Dude, I'd go in.
I was trying to see if, you know, where the four legs were for the water tower. Maybe it was just right here in the middle.
Maybe. Yeah, because there's like bolts there on the edges. That was cool.
You got it in place and it's fucked up and spooky. You gotta explore around to find the old tool.
Mm-hmm. Find something useful.
Definitely something.
Oh yeah. I think that's just filled up with water, isn't it? Yeah. It's like, oh, I don't know.
It's a little ways down there. See it now.
Right.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was deeper than I thought. Holy crap. Oh yeah, you can tell. Okay.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Old electrical boxes. This must have been it turned on all the water. So when they were ready to start business and they shut down business rather inside of the factory, probably came out here.
We went under at the mall the one time. And we had to get the manhole open from the other side. We were in there forever. We were about 20 to 30 feet underground, and then popped up and we came out right in the Target parking lot in front of the security camera. Like 8 of us. Like I was like, how awesome would that be to watch that security footage? You see just
coming out.
Yeah, just midnight, there's no cars, a manhole cover moves and 8 people pop out like
Exactly. Not strong enough to do it.
oh look, another fire extinguisher.
Someone definitely took their time to make sure they got those all collected out.
Right. Right. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that was glass. Busted window of some sort. Looks like from a vehicle.
What did that particular? Raising up.
Oh yeah.
It was so close, yet so far away.
Right.
It's not strong enough.
Well,
We'll leave it here for the next punk ass kid to
right.
figure out.
So if you guys like the video, go ahead and like, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and check out more 539 Productions explorations like this one. Have a good one, everybody. Oh, look at that. It's rollerblades. No, they're ski boots.
Oh my god.
They're just a random set of ski boots. One last view.
One last view is the sunset.
Right?